Here you go, guys. 2011 Cobalt SS turbocharged is the new, I don't know if I'd call it a shop project, but it will be the new YouTube project. The Chevy Cruze got in an accident. Watched the video for that one. Unfortunate, because we did a couple videos for YouTube and it was a newer car, so I kind of wanted to do like some bolt-ons to show the difference, but I guess I'm gonna do bolt-ons on this. So it does have the factory Brembo brakes with a set of 18-inch winners on it, because this is going to be my winter car. It's because I have a couple Camaros, so you know I'm not going to be driving my Camaros in the winter. But I also do have my turboed Silverado. Make sure you guys check out the videos for that build, 6-liter turbo build. It's going to be sick. As you see here, it does have the factory wing. Oh, you gotta love this. I have a Flowmaster exhaust. No, I have an exhaust tip. So I got a sweet deal on this. $3,000 Canadian, so that's like what, $2 US. As you see, it has the pillar pod with a couple cheap gauges in it, and then it has the computer that GM has. It has the nice SS seats. So I bought it off an old guy. His kid went to school, didn't know anything about it, so I got a smoking deal on it. Now, first thing I noticed, it says GM Stage 1, so I figured it was tuned. Then you gotta love the factory rust on the Cobalts on both sides. Oh, and the wonderful turbocharge. So anyways, when I started driving it before I did this video, the slave cylinder had an issue and my clutch pedal went right to the floor. And I was thinking I was going to be up for the clutch slave cylinder job that these are known for. Luckily, it was a rusty bolt or clip holding the slave into the master. So for me to change it, I had to take the computer out. And when I did, that is when I found out that the car actually has a ZZP performance tune on it. Which should explain why it works as good as it does. There's nothing really special here. Nothing really special. I did take a picture of the ZZP writing and performance tune on it, so I will post that right about now. It did say it had a Stage 1 installed, so I was kind of excited for that. Now, I don't know what tune is on this. It does run a little lean. It's like 12.5, but if I had to guess, they put 2 coils in this, and I'm going to guess that the old guy that was selling it for his kid didn't realize it needed Supreme. So under boost, it was probably misfiring when it saw knock. So I'm just burning this tank of gas out, gonna put some Supreme in it, gonna do some polls, see what the wide band's at, and go from there. Make sure you stay tuned. Should I shave the wing or not? Leave a comment, let me know, and maybe I'll do a how-to. Thanks, guys.